The OEM IS38 Turbo from HPA is the top OEM replacement turbo on the market. It is a true bolt-on turbo that works with your OEM intake, downpipe, and intercooler. HPA made a considerable number of upgrades to the OEM IS38, making it one of the most reliable options out there. It has a fully upgraded and redesigned bearing system. This bearing system is used on 500 horsepower turbos with 100% reliability in the field. HPA is providing the exact same system in the OEM Plus design. The billet extended tip compressor wheel allows for better spool and anti-surge characteristics, while still being compatible with all brands of IS38 tuning. HPA upgraded all wastegates with a highly heat-resistant inconel version to ensure the wastegates will never bend or snap. At ECS, we are so confident in it, we bolted the OEM Plus IS38 onto the Rallywagen, a Mark 7.5 GTI that drove from Cartagena, Colombia in South America at the very top of the continent to Tierra Del Fuego at the very bottom, without any support crew. Over 12,000 miles with only a driver, navigator, and a photographer. They put this overloaded car through multiple altitude changes, questionable gas, and unknown roads.
It did so well, and I don't think we could ever have tested it or designed a harder test for it, and it just did amazingly well. We threw bad gas at it, we threw 100% throttle at it, we passed dozens of trucks in one go, repeatedly up and down mountains, and the turbo just took everything and had plenty more, it felt like. We were in the desert in southern Peru, and it's one of the driest places in the world. And then we proceeded to turn left and go up one of the biggest mountain ranges in the world. We never saw a drop of peak boost or performance from the turbo at all. I'm a huge fan of HPA. They have built some of the most incredible VR6 turbos. They have built some of the most incredible cars that the Volkswagen community has seen in the world. To be handed their new IS38 Plus, like, hey, here's a new turbo, you have the only one, go for it. Yeah, we've done testing, but you have the first ever consumer ready one. No one else has this. Go and do your worst. And I really tried, and it just did its job perfectly.
It's a true bolt-on DIY install. The HPA OEM Plus IS38 is fully compatible with all IS38 tunes on the market. The turbo has a preset wastegate actuator that is set to the exact voltage needed. The HPA OEM Plus IS38 fixes all the reliability issues of the OEM turbo. Upgraded wastegate flapper, upgraded bearing design, and a billet extended tip compressor. The IS38's proven reliability, bolt-on installation, and high power output will boost your car through any condition.